What are we talking today?
Okay,
we talking leftovers?
We're talking leftovers, and not just the obvious turkey sandwich leftovers. We're gonna get creative here, all right?
Okay.
So for this first recipe, we partnered with Pepperidge Farm.
I love Pepperidge Farm. I grew up with Pepperidge Farm. I'm a Pepperidge Farm loving girl.
Yep.
My one thing I have a beef with Pepperidge Farm about is whoever is writing the panel for how many cookies are in a bag. That is just totally wrong. It is 1 serving per sack, maybe 2.
Maybe.
There's no way there's 4 servings in a bag. Just saying.
It's so great.
Anyway, sorry.
Well, today,
I digress.
I love it. I love it. And today we're using their farmhouse butter bread, which is super delicious because it's really soft and it's got that taste like it just came fresh from the oven. And we're going to use this to make a bread pudding.
And it tastes like butter.
Butter. Hello. No one's going to complain about that, right?
Nope.
So we take a full loaf of this bread.
My God, it even smells like butter.
I know.
Oh my God.
I know. It's really, and that soft, nothing beats a really soft piece of loaf bread. So we've cubed
Except
this.
butter.
Except butter on the bread. In the bread and on the bread.
On and around.
So after we've cubed this, we're actually going to put these in the oven to dry them out. Because for a great bread pudding, you need to get that
to
dry
toast the bread.
Yep. So we'll take that
And it develops
away.
the flavor of the bread too.
Right.
Yeah.
And once it comes out of the oven, you've got these nice, almost like crispy croutons. And this is going to be our base for our bread pudding. And because I don't like making a mess, I like making a mess. And I like eliminating dishes. We're going to make this all in this dish, so we don't even need a
Gotcha.
So on this, we're going to add a couple of things. I'm going to have you add the mushrooms, leeks,
and
the onions.
savory bread pudding.
Yes, savory bread pudding.
Mushroom, leek, onion.
And those might be some veggies you might have on hand after the big Thanksgiving day. I'm going to add some turkey, some leftover turkey.
Oh my God, it's
right
a
on top.
turkey
It's
casserole bread pudding.
So delicious. Let's add some cranberries, Rachel.
Sure.
And I like the fresh cranberries. They add a nice tartness and
I have tons of them in my freezer this time
beautiful
of year.
color. Pair of clean hands, best kind of tools you got in the kitchen.
That's right.
Let's make a custard here. We've got some eggs. We're gonna add some milk and some heavy cream. Perfect. And this is, I kind of use a standard bread pudding base, sweet or savory, when it comes to eggs, milk, and cream.
Gotcha. So you can pour this over and put some sweeter ingredients in there and use the same base recipe.
Exactly, same amount of
Fresh thyme.
Fresh thyme?
Yes.
Yep, oh, definitely. And then some Gruyere cheese. And something about the Gruyere cheese with the turkey and cranberry is such a good fit.
Pour this over.
Over the top. Like, it could not be easier, and it's a great way to use up a lot of different leftover ingredients from Thanksgiving.
And this could be like a lovely brunch or breakfast strata type thing too. Yep.
Totally. The last thing we're gonna do is, because it's the holidays, we're gonna add some parm on top as well.
A little extra parm.
A little extra parm. And then we're gonna cover it with some tin foil, and that's really gonna help us get that nice custardy texture out of this bread pudding.
Texture.
Exactly. So then this baby is gonna go. Yeah, let's do
I'll get the other side.
Great.
Gotcha.
This baby's gonna go to the oven. For about 20 minutes, we're gonna cook it. Oh, look, I'm making Rach do all the heavy lifting.
It's all right.
It's great.
Get them up in.
I love it.
There's one on the back counter. You here, I'll put this in the top.
Here, you put this, and then in the bottom, we're gonna show.
Gotcha.
Here, so I've got. Here, we take the cover off. Oh, good thing.
Hang on.
I can't do this with bare hands.
Hot holders.
I know.
Come on.
Look how pretty it is, though.
It's gorgeous.
Look at this,
Gorgeous,
guys.
gorgeous,
this beautiful golden color. Isn't that amazing?
Yeah, gorgeous.